Hey everyone, if you need to send the same letter, email, or document to multiple people, Mail Merge can save you a lot of time. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set up and use Mail Merge in Microsoft Word from start to finish. So let's jump in. Start by opening the document you want to personalize, such as a letter or invitation. You'll also need a recipient list, which is usually stored in an Excel spreadsheet with columns like first name, last name, email, or address. Next, open the Mailings tab and click Start Mail Merge. Choose the document type that matches your project, such as letters, email messages, envelopes, or labels. Now click Select Recipients and choose Use an existing list if your information is already saved in an Excel file. Browse to your file, select the correct worksheet, and confirm the list to connect it with your document. Place your cursor where you want personalized information to appear, then click Insert Merge field. Add fields like first name, last name, or address. After that, select Preview Results to check how each personalized document will look before completing the merge. When everything looks correct, click Finish and Merge. You can print all documents, edit them individually, or send email messages if you're creating an email merge. Choose the option that best fits your workflow. And that's how to use Mail Merge in Microsoft Word. Once you've set it up, you can personalize hundreds of documents in just a few clicks, saving both time and effort. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.